Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be customizing our fruit roll-up packs. So let's get started. For this tutorial you will need fruit roll-up, the template, Canva, brochure paper, a printer, scissors, double-sided tape, and a sealer, which is optional. First we will open Canva and upload our template. And once our template is uploaded, we're going to size it to our Canva size and start designing. I use the exact same design that I used for my Oreos. So I'm just going to duplicate each element and put it on the template. I did change the background to pink. A great tip is to lower the transparency of the label while you're designing it and keep it on top of the background. And when you're finished designing it, you can delete the template or just leave it at the back. This is a quick walkthrough of how I design my fruit roll-up template. And once you're done designing your template, you're going to save as a PNG. Add your paper to your printer and print out your label. And here is our printed label. And for this part of the tutorial, you will need your fruit roll-up templates that we just printed out, fruit roll-ups, scissors, double-sided tape. The sealer is actually optional. And so the first thing we're going to do is cut out our template. And next we're going to fold our label. Next up, we're going to get our fruit roll-up. And we're going to tape it a little in the middle with our double-sided tape. And you just want to do this sometimes to secure. Then we're going to get our tape. And because the label is so small, we're only going to tape down one long side and only in the middle on the two short ends. And then we're going to pinch our longer ends together. And then pinch the two short ends. Naturally, they end up coming together most times. And this next step is optional, so you don't have to do it unless you want to. We're going to seal the ends. And I'm going to show you this process one more time. Because the labels are so small, I do believe that you could use high quality regular print paper. I'm actually going to try it out and do a short and let you all know how it goes. I just be crafting and learning and teaching you all along the way. So tell me, beauty, what is your favorite snack? Leave a comment down below. I have to say that Snicker bars are my favorite snack. And there you have it, your beautiful custom fruit roll-up. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And for more DIY videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And always remember, stay ambitious!